Nowadays, everyone, Muslims, are taking pictures like this, or with their middle fingers up. What's that all about, bro? We have lost our Islam, Akhi. And because of ourselves, we blame ourselves, bro. You can't blame no one else. Society doesn't put a gun to your head, bro, until you do this. You're not in you're not in the Middle East where there's certain countries are going for war. And even though they're in a Muslim country, you would die because you live upon La ilaha illallah. And this is the reality. Be grateful for where you are, bro. We're Muslims. And wallahi, I'm saying this now, bro. I'm saying this now, yeah? Look at the friend that's around you, man. Is he really doing something to make you become a better Muslim? And if he is the person, then alhamdulillah, then now you have to question yourself. Are you the person that's bringing this person around you closer to the deen of Allah?